Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, we are staying here at the Springhill Suites in Bolingbrook, Illinois. I'm just going to give a quick, short room tour and just kind of a short, overlay of the hotel here. All right, here's the inside of the room. Over here we have a desk area. Kind of modern painting on the wall there. The coffee maker is right here. There's the microwave and mini fridge. Now this room includes the sofa, but this sofa pulls out into a bed, so you can have an extra bed if you needed. Another piece of wall art there, matching what was on this other wall. Have the television set, king size bed. Now what I did find really interesting here, the bed, there's these lights, little lights here, little reading lights, so going to sleep, don't want to bother your partner as much, you can just turn on the little reading light. So that's pretty cool. Closet area. Now this is the first time in a while I've seen the metal shelves. Here we have the bright light, sink with your toiletries, of course, and here is the bathroom. All right, there's a negative. There's toilet paper still. It's torn up toilet paper. Toilet paper still in the toilet. And it appears the toilet is not working correctly. So that is not good. And then we have the shower here. I don't see any hairs or anything like that on the floor. So there's the room tour here. After speaking with the front desk, they have now given me a different room. It is down the hall from the previous room I was in. And I'm not going to give a full tour of this room, but I'll just show you real quick what it looks like. It is pretty much identical to my previous room. However, everything is reversed. So where the location of everything was in the other room, it is on the opposite side in this room. And the first thing I did after I got into this room, I checked to make sure though, that the toilet, it flushes. So that is a very good thing. And in addition, they gave me a free beverage from the store downstairs. I just took a bottle of water, so they didn't have to do that. That was really nice. So stairwell. Looks pretty clean. We have a small business center. There's a swimming pool here, as well as a nice fitness center. Now here's the washing machine and dryer. And we'll take a closer look there. It's kind of hard to see from back here because it's kind of flashing. But it cost $2 for one load. That's pretty darn expensive if you ask me. And we have the ice machine. At the time of the recording of this video, it is out of service. That was Springhill Suites here in Bolingbrook, Illinois. It is part of the Marriott chain. I have to say, overall, it was a nice room. It was average price. Unfortunately, I mean, most of your hotel rooms now, and the past since 2021, roughly, the average price of a hotel room is about $100. And that's roughly what this room was for a night, which isn't terrible. It's a little bit more expensive than things used to be, but everything is more expensive due to inflation, apparently. I had a really pleasant stay. My room was very clean. When I had the first room when I was in it, I had the issue with because there was an issue with the toilet. The toilet was not, there was stuff in the toilet, and the reason there was stuff in the toilet was because the toilet was not flushing. It was clogged at some point. The lady who was on the front desk, she got a different room for me, gave me some free water. It was very accommodating. She even called later on in the evening to make sure everything was okay in the new room. Very happy. This is a very nice place to stay. So if you're looking for a nice room to stay and you're in the Chicagoland area, it's a nice place to stay. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.